Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stocks to Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Robinhood account on your device. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the account menu, find and select the investing option. Scroll down to locate transfers and click on it. Choose the Transfer Stocks option from the available options. Select the financial institution where your stocks are currently held. You may need to provide your login credentials for this institution for verification purposes. After logging in, you will see a list of accounts associated with your institution. Select the specific account containing the stocks you wish to transfer. Now, choose the stocks you want to transfer to Robinhood from that account. Input the number of shares you want to transfer for each selected stock. Pay attention to any notes or warnings about the transfer process provided by Robinhood. Once you've finalized your selections, review all details carefully. When you're ready, click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. The transfer process may take several business days to complete. You will receive a notification once the stocks have successfully transferred to your Robinhood account. Monitor your portfolio to confirm that the stocks are now visible in your Robinhood account. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Robinhood's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.